Speaking my refrigerator and my pantry. In my refrigerator, I have some vegetables. There are some tomatoes, onions, chayotes, green chilies. I have an avocado. There are also some fruits. There are lemons and grapes, but there is not any kiwi because I like the kiwi. In the middle part of my refrigerator, there are some milks. Although there is no any yogurt in this part, there are flour tortillas, cheese, ham, and butter. And next to it, there are a lots of eggs and lots of Yakult. Other drinkable things, there are soft drinks and lemon water. In the freezer, there are a lot of bowls of chocolate, strawberry, cookies, etc. In my pantry, there are some beans and lentils too. I have a lot of oils: coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, etc. I have chocolate powder. I have a lot of bar soaps. They come in many colors: yellow, green, pink, blue, white,